Hello students, welcome to your own channel ज्ञान मंत्रा बाय नीलम. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल. आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ प्लांट बायोटेक्नोलॉजी जो आपके वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसमें बहुत बार पूछे जाते हैं. और ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहने वाला है बीएससी एमएससी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिनके थ्योरेटिकल एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं. तो लेट्स start our video. First question is, what is plant biotechnology? So plant biotechnology is the application of scientific techniques to modify, manipulate or improve plants for various purposes such as increasing crop yields, developing disease resistant varieties or enhancing nutritional content. Second question is, what are genetically modified organisms? So GMOs in the context of plant biotechnology, answer is genetically modified organisms are plants that have had their DNA altered using genetic engineering techniques to introduce specific traits or characteristics not naturally found in the species. Third is, what is tissue culture and how it is used in plant biotechnology? Is it used in plant biotechnology? Answer is, tissue culture is a method used to propagate and grow plants from a small piece of plant tissue under sterile condition. It is essential for mass production of genetically identical plants, disease elimination and crop improvement. Fourth question is, what are the benefits of genetically modified crops in agriculture? GM crops can offer benefits such as increased resistance to pest and disease, improved tolerance to environmental stress, enhanced nutritional content, and higher yield. Fifth question is, how is the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system used in plant biotechnology? The CRISPR-Cas9 system is used to precisely edit plant genomes, allowing scientists to add, delete, or modify specific genes leading to desired traits in plants. Sixth question is, what is the importance of marker-assisted selection (MAS) in plant breeding? Marker-assisted selection helps plant breeders identify desirable traits in plant based on genetic markers, enabling them to make more informed decisions and accelerate the breeding process. Seventh question is, how does plant biotechnology contribute to the conservation of endangered plant species? So answer is, plant biotechnology can help in the conservation of endangered plant species by using tissue culture to propagate and multiply plants in controlled environment, that is in vitro, preventing extinction. Question number 8 is, what is RNA interference, RNAi, and how it is used in plant biotechnology? RNA interference is a mechanism that regulates gene expression in plant biotechnology. RNAi is used to silence specific genes, reducing the expression of unwanted traits or enhancing desired characteristics. Question number 9 is, how can plant biotechnology help in phytoremediation? So the answer is, what is phytoremediation and plant biotechnology, how can help in? So plant biotechnology can be used to genetically modify plant to absorb and accumulate pollutants from the environment, aiding in the process of phytoremediation, where plants help clean up contaminated sites. फाइटो मीन्स प्लांट्स एंड रेमेडिएशन मतलब कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिसको हम एक रेमेडी की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने एनवायरनमेंट को साफ़ सुथरा रखने के लिए. Now next question is, what are golden rice and its significance in plant biotechnology? So golden rice is a genetically modified variety that produced beta carotene, a precursor of vitamin A. Its significance lies in addressing vitamin A deficiency in regions where rice is a staple food. And rice is a staple food in all mostly like eastern countries like China, Japan and India also. Next is, how does somatic embryogenesis contribute to plant propagation? Somatic embryogenesis is a process in which somatic cells are induced to form embryos which can then develop into whole plants. This technique is valuable for mass production of genetically identical plant. इसके अंदर हम somatic plants produce कर सकते हैं. What are the ethical consideration associated with the use of genetically modified crops? So ethical consideration related to GM crops include potential environment impacts, possible unintended consequences and the need for rigorous safety assessment before commercialization. Question number 13 is how does plant biotechnology play a role in improving drought tolerance in crops? So the answer is plant biotechnology can introduce genes that enhance water use efficiency, improve osmotic adjustment and increase stress tolerance in plant. यानी कि ड्रॉट टॉलरेंस के अंदर क्या होता है, ऑस्मोटिक एडजस्टमेंट इंक्रीज होती है, वाटर यूज एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज होती है और स्ट्रेस टॉलरेंस जो है वो भी इम्प्रूव होता है, मेकिंग देम मोर रेजिलिएंट टू ड्रॉट कंडीशन. Next question is explain the process of agrobacterium mediated gene transfer. This question is most important for the student of plant biotechnology and genetic engineering, जो कि पेपर आता है थर्ड सेम में, चाहे RDT का पेपर हो, जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग का या प्लांट बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का. ये क्वेश्चन आए बिना पेपर कंप्लीट नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये. MSc चाहे आप IGU, KU, MDU या कोई भी अदर स्टेट या सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी से कर रहे हैं, एग्रोबैक्टीरियम मीडिएटेड जीन ट्रांसफ़र ज़रूर आता है. तो इसका एक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है. सो एग्रोबैक्टीरियम मीडिएटेड जेनेटिक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन्वॉल्व ट्रांसफरिंग डिजायर्ड जीन इनटू अ प्लांट यूजिंग एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूमिफेशंस, a bacterium that naturally infect plants and transfer its own DNA into the plant genome. एग्रोबैक्टीरियम मीडिएटेड जीन ट्रांसफ़र में एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूमिफेशंस को यूज़ किया जाता है. दैट इज़ अ रोड शेप बैक्टीरिया, बैसिलस बैक्टीरिया होता है ये. What is the importance of plant molecular farming in biotechnology? So plant molecular farming involves using genetically modified plants to produce valuable pharmaceuticals, vaccines or industrial compounds, providing a cost-effective and scalable production platform. 16th question is how does plant biotechnology contribute to biofortification? Plant biotechnology allow the development of crops with enhanced nutritional content such as increased levels of vitamins, minerals and essential nutrients, which is referred to as biofortification. 17th question is what is the terminator gene and its controversy in plant biotechnology? The terminator gene refers to genetic modification that produces sterile seed in second generation plant. It has been controversial as it could prevent farmers from saving seeds for subsequent plantings. 18th question is how can plant biotechnology help in the development of disease resistant crops? Plant biotechnology can introduce genes that encode resistance to specific pathogens, helping crop combat disease and reducing the reliance on chemical pesticides. Question number 19 is discuss the potential impact of plant biotechnology on global food security. Plant biotechnology has the potential to enhance crop yield, develop resilient varieties and improve nutritional content, thus playing a crucial role in addressing global food security challenges. Question number 20th is what are some of the challenges and limitations of plant biotechnology? Answer is challenges and limitations of plant biotechnology include public perception and acceptance of GMOs, potential environmental risk, high research and development cost, and concerns about intellectual property rights and seed monopolies. So I hope you like this video and please like, share and subscribe my channel. और इसी तरीके के और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के लिए डिफरेंट लाइफ साइंस की फील्ड से हम आते रहेंगे. सो आज के लिए थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स और प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.